everyone, my name is Sania Sam and welcome back to Pakistani American news channel. Today I am telling you the latest news of Republicans. West Britain, Brooklyn to kick off preparation for petition operation in 46 AD and 45 AD for re-election of Assemblyman Alec Brooke Tresney and Michael. You will meet and speak to both Assemblyman and our honorary guest, the chairperson of the King County Republican Party, Richie Barsaman. We will also be discussing the upcoming presidential primary election and placements of the people to work as the Republicans county and poll workers. The event is hosted by Brooklyn New Wave Civic Coalition in collaboration with Republicans district leader for the 46th Assembly, Svetlana
candidates. We have to bring people that represent us, and that is how we channel our frustration.
Because after Richie speaks, it's impossible to speak, but I'll try. Well, first of all, thank you very much to everyone, Richie Barzamian and all the district leaders, because this is where the chance, whether you was running for city council, state senate, or Congress, or yours. So I want to.
So here's what I'm going to do for my training people. I'm going to ask them to get the person who is on the walking sheet to sign their name.
Okay, County, where is it?
Do you have questions? Somebody has a question?
Everybody. Young people. I'm organizing something that's brand new for the young Republicans. It's we're doing days of action, and I'm going to be doing a lot of them. So if you are a young Republican or you feel young at heart, please come talk to me. I'm going to be setting up days of action where I'm going to be working with the district leaders. And if you're planning on getting signatures anyways, I'm going to be driving out and they're going to see massive amounts of us on all of the streets targeting these communities so that they know that we're out there. And it's not just one of us. We're doing this as a grassroots, organizing, we're getting better, we're getting stronger, change everything.